Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 11 minus 11 times 11 minus 11. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 11 minus 11 gives us 0. And again here we have 11 minus 11. So 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this multiplication because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this, if we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 11 times 11 gives us 121. So we have 11 minus 121 minus 11. Now we have to do this subtraction. 11 minus 121 equals negative 110. So negative 110 minus 11, which equals negative 121. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 121.